Good morning to all. Myself, Chirag B. Patel, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, VPMP Polytechnic, Gandhinagar. Subject name Digital Logic Design. Subject code 3331104. Unit name Number System and Code. Topic name Types of Number System. Weightage Method. Objective Decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. First topic, number system. In any number system, there are character to show number. સિમ્પલ ડેફિનેશન છે નંબર સિસ્ટમની. ઇન એની નંબર સિસ્ટમ ધેર આર કેરેક્ટર ટુ શો નંબર. કોઈપણ અંક પદ્ધતિમાં આંકડો દર્શાવવા માટે અમુક કેરેક્ટર હોય છે. ધેર ઇઝ ડિફાઇન વેઇટેજ ટુ each number. આંકડાની દરેક પોઝિશનને ચોક્કસ વેઇટેજ હોય છે. નાઉ ધ વેઇટેજ depend upon the base or radix. આ વેઇટેજ બેઝ અથવા રેડિક્સ પર આધાર હોય છે. નાઉ ઇટ radix is shown by R. So general equation of weightage method bracket r raised to n plus dot 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 plus bracket r raised to 3 plus bracket r raised to 2 plus bracket r raised to 1 plus bracket r raised to 0 dot bracket r raised to minus 1 plus bracket r raised to minus 2 plus bracket r raised to minus 3 plus dot 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 plus bracket r raised to m. Now this point is frictional points. General equation of weightage method. Now there are 4 types of number system. Number 1 is equal to decimal number system. Number 2 binary number system. Number 3 octal number system. And number 4 hexadecimal નંબર સિસ્ટમ. આપણે ચારેય મેથડને ડિટેલમાં એક્સપ્લેન કરીએ. તો નંબર 1, ડેસિમલ નંબર સિસ્ટમ. ડેસિમલ નંબર સિસ્ટમ. First of all, in this system, base or radix is 10. ડેસિમલ નંબર સિસ્ટમનો બેઝ 10 છે, જેને આપણે 10 વડે દર્શાવી શકાય છે. નાઉ there are 10 character. And what is 10 character? So these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. બેઝ એન્ડ રેડિક્સ 10 છે, એટલે એના 10 કેરેક્ટર છે, જે આપણા 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ને 9, એટલે ટોટલ 10 કેરેક્ટર થઈ ગયા. ફોર ડેસિમલ જનરલ ઇક્વેશન, ફોર ડેસિમલ નંબર સિસ્ટમ, bracket 10 raised to 2 plus bracket 10 raised to 1 plus bracket 10 raised to 0 point bracket 10 raised to minus 1 dot bracket 10 raised to minus 2 plus dot dot dot. Now this point is decimal points. For example, simple one example, 8075.63. This is the decimal number. Now calculation. First of all, 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 2. So simple, 8 into 10 raised to 3 plus 0 into 10 raised to 2 plus 7 into 10 raised to 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to 0. Point. This is the decimal point. Bracket 6 into 10 raised to minus 1 plus 3 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now simple calculation, 8000 plus 0 plus 70 plus 5 decimal point 0.6 plus 0.03. Answer is right, left hand side 8075 points and right hand side 63. So now decimal are converted to decimal number. Second number, binary number system. First of all, in this system, there are only 2 characters. In this system, base or radix ઇઝ 2. બાઇનરીને આપણે બાઇનરી નંબર સિસ્ટમને બે વડે દર્શાવાય છે. ધે આર 2 કેરેક્ટર એન્ડ ધીસ આર 0 એન્ડ 1. બાઇનરી નંબરના બે કેરેક્ટર છે, વન 0 એન્ડ સેકન્ડ ઇઝ 1. નાવ જનરલ equation for binary number system plus bracket 2 raised to 2 plus bracket 2 raised to 1 plus bracket 2 raised to 0 point bracket 2 raised to minus 1 plus bracket 2 raised to minus 2 dot dot dot. Now this point is binary point. For example, 1010001. This is binary number. Now they are converted to decimal number. So first of all example માં તમે જોઈ શકો છો 1 into 2 raised to 0, 0 into 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. બધી જ ગણતરી લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ થશે, રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ કોઈ જ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન આ વખતે નહીં થાય. સો 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. 1 into 32 plus 0 into 16 plus 1 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Now answer is 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. So answer is 41. So 101001 is binary number and they are converted to decimal number. So this system is weightage method. Now this system is weightage method. બાઇનરીનું તમારે ડેસિમલમાં રૂપાંતર કરવા માટે વેઇટેજ મેથડનો યુઝ કરવો હોય તો આ પદ્ધતિ દ્વારા એક્ઝામ્પલ ગણી શકાય છે. નાઉ થર્ડ નંબર, ઓક્ટલ નંબર સિસ્ટમ. octal number system. First of all, in this system base or radix is 8. There are 8 characters. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. ઓક્ટલ નંબર સિસ્ટમનો બેઝ અને રેડિક્સ 8 છે. ધે આર 8 કેરેક્ટર્સ and start from the 8 characters 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 8 characters. Now general equation of octal number system plus bracket 8 raised to 2 plus bracket 8 raised to 1 plus bracket 8 raised to 0. Now this point is octal point. Now bracket 8 raised to minus 1 plus bracket 8 raised to minus 2 plus dot dot dot. For example, 652.43. Now this is the octal number. Now they are converted to decimal number for weightage method. So first of all, 6 into 8 raised to 2 plus 5 into 8 raised to 1 plus 2 into 8 raised to 0. Now left side નું કામ પતી ગયું. હવે right hand side 4 into 8 raised to minus 1 plus 3 into 8 raised to minus 2. This point is octal point. Now show is result 6 into 64 plus 5 into 8 plus 2 into 1. Now this point is the octal point. 4 into 0.125 plus 3 into 0.015625. 3 upon 64 કરીએ એટલે આન્સર આવશે 0.015625. Now this the basic calculation. 426.5 plus 0.046875. Now basic answer is equal to 426.546875. So result is 652.43. This is the octal number and they are converted to decimal number is 546875. And method use of weightage method. કોઈપણ એક્ઝામ્પલ ગણવા માટે તમને ઓક્ટલ નંબર આપ્યો હોય અને એનું બાઇનરી ડેસિમલ કન્વર્ટ કરવું હોય તો તમારે મેથડ યુઝ કરવાની છે વેઇટેજ મેથડ. So this is the simple calculation. Now fourth number, hexadecimal number system. First of all, in this system, base or radix is 16. Hexadecimal number ને 16 દ્વારા દર્શાવવામાં આવે છે. Now they are 16 characters. 16 characters. Now these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A, B, C, D, E and F. Now they are the 16 characters. 0 થી લઈને F સુધી તમે ગણશો એટલે 16 character complete થઈ જશે. So general equation for hexadecimal number system is plus bracket 6:2 plus bracket 6:1 plus bracket 6:0 points. Now this point is the hexadecimal point. Bracket 6:2 minus 1 plus bracket 6:2 minus 2. For example, simple example, 35D points 62 is hexadecimal number. Now they are converted to decimal number. For method use weightage method. So D into 16 0, 5 into 16 1, 3 into 62. So start the 3 into 16 2 plus 5 into 16 1 plus D. So now 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. So D is 13 into 16 raised to 0. 0.6 into 16 minus 1 plus 2 into 16 minus 2. So this calculation 3 into 2 5 6 plus 5 into 16 plus 13 into 1 point. This is the hexadecimal point. 6 by 16 plus 2 by 256. Now calculation 768 plus 80 plus 30 point 6 into this calculation 0.0625 plus 2 into 0.003900625. So this answer is 861. And now this 0.35 plus 0.0078125. So 861.3578125. So example 35D.62 is the hexadecimal number and they are converted to decimal number system. And method are used weightage method. Okay. Thank you.